You have seen the rumors, you have seen the renders. Today, you are getting your first look at the real-world photos of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra device. Yeah guys, it's finally happening. Or should we say, it's happening a little earlier than usual this time around. The first live photos of the Samsung's Galaxy S flagship has hit the internet almost 3 months before it's expected to go official. Pictures showing the Galaxy S22 Ultra and its updated rear-facing design and a built-in S Pen slot have been published by the Fox over at Front Page Tech. The Galaxy S22 Ultra, as seen in these first real live photos, looks more like a Galaxy Note than the Galaxy S model. It's almost as if Samsung went back to the drawing board after the launch of the Galaxy Note 20 and decided to update and bring back the Galaxy Note 10 design for a new generation. The most recent renders from last month seem to be on point as the device features a curved display up front with curved corners and the water drop camera design on the rear. Unlike the Note 10 series though, the back panel has the matte finish and 6 circular cutouts for the main cameras, the laser autofocus module and the LED flash. The dedicated S Pen holster is there on the left side of the phone. It's hard to tell, but the back panel might be made of plastic. The main camera setup should comprise a 108 megapixel main shooter, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and two 10 megapixel telephoto cameras with 3x and 10x zoom capabilities. The selfie camera is contained in an Infinity O display cutout, as UDC aka Under Display Camera technology is not yet ready to drop its Galaxy Z Fold 3 exclusively. After a bit of back and forth regarding the possible release of the Galaxy S22 series, we now know, as it reported exclusively, that Samsung will launch it in Feb. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.